story is The Wizard of Oz Part 2, and let's see the characters in the story. This is Dorothy, and Dorothy has lost her way and she has come from Kansas and she wants to go back home. Then we have Scarecrow, who wants to have brains from the wizard. Then Tin Woodman, he wants heart from the wizard. Then we have Lion, and Lion wants courage from the wizard. And this is the wizard, and wizard means whom? Who is a wizard? Wizard means Jadugar. And this is Toto, Dorothy's dog. And you will come across this word humbug. Humbug means pakhand. Okay, so now let's start the story. So now we come to the second part of the story, The Wizard of Oz Part 2. So here we'll see how the Oz is telling his story. Okay, he's going to the flashback and he's telling about his life story to Dorothy and the Scarecrow and the Lion. Okay, so they sat down and listened while the Oz told the following tale. So tale मतलब story. So वो अपना story बताता है इनको. I was born in Omaha. When I grew up, I became a ventriloquist. So who is a ventriloquist? Ventriloquists are the people who can make different kinds of sounds, okay, without moving their lips. Okay, तो वो ventriloquist वो people होते हैं जो तरह तरह की आवाज़ें निकालते हैं, but वो अपनी lips वगैरह नहीं हिलाते, but still you can hear the sound and you cannot understand, you cannot verify who is saying the words. Okay, who is speaking. So he became a ventriloquist and at that I was very well trained by a great master. So बहुत अच्छे से मुझे ट्रेनिंग भी मिली थी from a very great master. I can imitate any kind of bird or beast. So मैं तरह तरह की आवाज़ निकालता था. So it could be a bird or a beast. कोई पक्षी की आवाज़ या तो कोई dangerous animal की आवाज़ भी मैं निकाल सकता था. So here he mewed so like a kitten. So now he was making the sound of a kitten. And by hearing that sound, Toto pricked up its ears. So Toto was looking that कहाँ पे कोई kitten तो नहीं है यहाँ पे. So that's why he was raising up its ears and looked everywhere to see where it was. So it was finding where the kitten is. After a time, continued the Oz, I was tired of that and became a balloonist. So the Oz is saying that I was very tired of becoming a ventriloquist. Then मैं बहुत थक गया था ventriloquist बन के. So now I became a balloonist. So ये सुन के Dorothy was asking, जैसे आप लोगों को भी लग रहा है, who is a balloonist? She also asked the same question, that what is that? A person who goes up in a balloon on circus day so as to draw a crowd of people and get them to pay to see the circus, he explained. So इसने ऐसे explain किया कि बैलूनिस्ट वो होता है जो सर्कस वाले दिन बैलून के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है एंड उसको देख के सारे जो भी सर्कस में जो भी आते हैं वो उसको ही देखते हैं और वहाँ पे बहुत सारा भीड़ इकट्ठे होता है और इवन दे पे ओके टू सी दैट एक्ट ऑफ द बैलूनिस्ट एंड so he did this on the circus day. Oh, she said, I know. Well, one day I went up in a balloon and the ropes got twisted. So एक दिन मैं ऐसे ही balloon में चढ़ गया था and what happened? Ropes सारे twist हो गए. The ropes were all twisted. उलझ गए. जो ropes थे वो उलझ गए. So I couldn't come down again. So वो balloon से उतर ही नहीं पाया. For a day and a night I traveled through the air. So one day and one night he was in the balloon only and he was flying in the air. So on the second day what happens? The balloon came down gradually. So gradually जैसे ही balloon के जो हवा है वो the gas निकल जाता है तो the balloon came down gradually. I found myself in the midst of the strange people. तो मैं अपने आप को strange people के में ही देखता हूँ. Strange लोग थे उस जगह के who seeing me coming from the clouds thought I was a great wizard. So they thought that I was a great wizard because I was coming from the sky. Of course, I let them think so because they were afraid of me and promised to do anything I wished them to do. And I did not tell them anything about myself. So मैंने उनको कुछ बोला भी नहीं अपने बारे में. I was just thinking कि let them think whatever they are thinking. And I promised to do anything I wished and they also promised to do anything they could for me. because they trusted me a lot. Just to amuse myself and keep the good people busy, I ordered them to build the city and my palace. So just to amuse myself, just अम्यूज़मेंट के लिए मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे लिए एक सिटी बना दो एंड एक पैलेस भी बना दो मेरे लिए, एंड दे डिड इट विलिंगली. और वो विलिंगली, फोर्सफुली नहीं, विलिंगली दे वर डूइंग द, they did it willingly and well. Then I thought, as the country was so green and beautiful, I would call it the Emerald City. So जो city था वो बहुत ही green था और बहुत ही beautiful था, तो that's why I named it Emerald City, because emerald is a stone and it is also green in color, isn't it? To make the name fit better, I put green spectacles on all the people so that everything they see is green. So to make the name fit better, Emerald City बनाने के लिए मैंने क्या किया, उन सबके आंखों में मैंने ग्रीन कलर के स्पेक्टैकल्स, मीन स्पेक्स, चश्मा होता है ना ग्रीन कलर के, वो मैंने लगा दिया ताकि वो जो भी देखे वो ग्रीन कलर ही देखे, हर एक चीज़ उनको ग्रीन लगे. बट इज़न्ट एवरीथिंग हियर ग्रीन? Isn't it everything here green? asked Dorothy. So Dorothy is asking that everything here is green? No more than in any other city, replied the Oz. But when you wear green spectacles, everything you see looks green to you. So he's saying what? That everything you will look green only when you are wearing a green color spectacles. जैसे आपने रेड कलर का चश्मा पहना तो आप सब कुछ रेड ही देखोगे, अपने ग्रीन कलर का चश्मा पहना तो आप सब कुछ ग्रीन ही देखोगे. So like this you will see everything is green. One of my greatest fears were the witches. So मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा डर था, किससे डर था? मुझे witches से डर था. Okay, वो डाइन होते हैं ना. For while I had no magical powers at all, I soon found out that the witches were really able to do wonderful things. So जो डाइन थे वहाँ पे वो सारे बहुत ही ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. So there were 4 witches, 4 डाइन थे जो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट में थे. फॉर्चुनेटली, लकीली, द विचेस ऑफ नॉर्थ एंड साउथ वर गुड एंड आई न्यू दे वुड डू नो हार्म टू मी. सो लकीली मुझे पता था कि नॉर्थ एंड साउथ के जो विचेस थे वो बहुत अच्छे थे और वो मुझे किसी भी तरह का नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते. बट द विचेस ऑफ द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट वर टेरिबली विकेड. बट जो विचेस थे ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट के वो बहुत ही ख़राब थे. एंड had they not thought I was more powerful man, they would surely have destroyed me. I am happy that you have destroyed both the witches. तो अगर उनको नहीं पता होता कि मैं कितना पावरफुल हूँ, अगर उनको ये भ्रम नहीं होता तो ये बहुत सारा नुकसान ये मेरे कर देते. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आप लोगों ने उन दोनों विचेस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. आई थिंक यू आर अ वेरी बैड मैन, सेड डॉरोथी. नाउ डॉरोथी इज सेइंग दैट आई थिंक कि आप अच्छे नहीं हो. Do you think Dorothy is right in her assumption? What do you think, children? आपको क्या लगता है that he is not good? Oh no, my dear, I am really a very good man. So now the wizard is saying that no, I am very good man, but I am a very bad wizard. But I am not a very good wizard. I am a very bad wizard. Can't you give me brains? Asked the scarecrow. Now the scarecrow is asking, what? Can you give me brains? आप मुझे ब्रेन दे सकते हो? You don't need them. You are learning something every day. A baby has brains, but it doesn't know much. Experience is the only thing that brings knowledge, and the longer you are on earth, the more experience you are sure to get. So now what the wizard is saying, that you don't need them because you're already learning every day. When a baby is born, so baby has brains, but he doesn't know much. But as the baby grows up, जैसे आप अपने बारे में ही देख लो बच्चे, जैसे आप फर्स्ट में थे तो आप थोड़ा बहुत जानते थे, देन आप क्लास 2 में आए तो आपका ब्रेन और शार्प हो गया, देन आप यू आर इन थर्ड, नाउ यू विल बी इन थर्ड, देन अगेन यू आर ग्रोइंग मोर, you know more things. Now you're in 5th class, now your brain is growing more, you know more things, you learn so many things now. So the experience means anubhav. Okay, experience is the only things that brings knowledge, and the longer you are on earth, the more experience you are sure to get. So जैसे अब जितने दिन आप इस धरती पर हो, आप हर एक दिन आप नई नई चीज़ें सीखोगे, तो उसी से आप जो अनुभव आपको मिलेगा वही आपका ब्रेन. So your brain will be sharpened by getting those experiences in your life. That may all be true, said the scarecrow, but I shall be very unhappy unless you give me brains. So, but I know that, the scarecrow is saying, but I will be very unhappy if you don't give me brains. The false wizard looked at him carefully. So now the wizard is looking at him. Well, he said with a sigh, come to me tomorrow morning. I will stuff your head with brains. I cannot tell you how to use them. However, you must find that out for yourself. So now he's saying what, that tomorrow, कल morning को आप आ जाओ and I will stuff your head में, आपके head में brains भी डाल दूँगी, डाल दूँगा, but you should know how to use your brain. Okay. Oh, thank you, cried the scarecrow. I will find a way to use them, never fear. So I will always find a way to use the brain. But how about my courage, asked the lion anxiously. So lion was also very anxious. So वो भी बहुत जल्दी इसने भी पूछ लिया कि what about my courage, when are you giving me courage, हिम्मत आप मुझे कब दोगे? You have plenty of courage, I'm sure, answered Oz. The Oz is saying that you already have a plenty of courage. All you need is confidence in yourself. So you should have confidence in yourself. There is no living thing that is not afraid when it faces danger. True courage is in facing danger when you are afraid, and that kind of courage you have in plenty. So until and unless you face the danger, okay, जैसे आप फेस करोगे, जिस चीज़ से आप डरते हो उसको जब आप फेस करोगे, तभी आपके अंदर जो है वो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा एंड यू विल गेट दैट करेज. ओके, सो डू यू थिंक व्हाट द ओ सेड वाज ट्रू? It is really true, isn't it, children? Because if we every time we are suppose if you are not very good in any subject, okay, suppose you're not very good in maths, so until and unless you try, unless and until you practice that subject, you cannot be good in that. Okay, you'll practice once, twice, thrice, fourth time you will see that yes, you will succeed in doing the work and you will get good marks, you will get good result. So like that way only, until and unless you face the difficulty in your life, you will not get the courage. Okay, so perhaps I have, but I'm scared just the same, said the lion. I shall really be very unhappy unless you give me the sort of courage that makes one forget he's afraid. So he's saying that I'm scared and I shall really be very unhappy if you don't give me the courage that will make me forget to be afraid. So अब मुझे इतना courage दो कि मैं भूल जाऊँ कि डर क्या चीज़ है. Very well, I will give you that sort of courage tomorrow, replied the oz. So the oz is saying वो भी मैं आपको कल ही मैं दूंगा, ठीक है. How about my heart, asked the tin woodman. So the woodman is saying what about my heart? Why, as for that, answered the oz, I think the wizard is saying that you are wrong to want a heart. It makes most people unhappy. If you only knew, you are in luck not to have a heart. So the wizard is saying that लोग बहुत अनहैप्पी होते हैं, नाखुश होते हैं जिनके पास हार्ट होता है. तो आप बहुत लकी हो अगर आपके पास हार्ट नहीं है. ओके, सो अगर आपको पता होता कि आप लकी हो तो आप कभी मुझसे ये हार्ट नहीं मांगते, बिकॉज जिनके पास हार्ट है वो बहुत ही अनहैप्पी है, नाखुश है. That must be a matter of opinion, said the Tin Woodman. For my part, I will bear all the unhappiness without a murmur if you will give me a heart. So the Woodman is saying what? That is your matter of opinion. ये आपके opinion हो सकता है, but I want a heart because I want to bear all the unhappiness without a murmur, without a word. मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोलूँगा तो even कुछ भी unhappiness हो, okay, I will bear everything in life just if you will give me a heart. Very well, answered the oz meekly. So the oz said what? Very well, come to me tomorrow and you shall have a heart. I have played wizards for so many years that I might as well continue the part a little longer. So the wizard is saying that come to me tomorrow and कल आप आ जाओ मेरे पास, मैं आपको भी हार्ट दूंगा. And I have played the part of a wizard. So मैं बहुत सालों से wizard रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ for many years. So and I will continue to do this part for a little longer time. Now, said Dorothy, how am I get back to Kansas? So now Dorothy is saying मैं कब Kansas में कब वापस जा सकती हूँ? We shall have to think about that, replied the little man. There is only one thing I ask in return for my help, such as it is, you must keep my secret and tell no one I am a humbug. So he's saying what? That आप सभी को सब कुछ मिलेगा. Only the thing is, एक ही चीज़ है कि आप लोग कभी भी मेरे बारे में किसी को नहीं बताओ, जो मेरा सीक्रेट है. What is the secret of mine? That I am not a powerful man. So ये सीक्रेट यहीं पे रहेगा और आप ये चीज़ कभी किसी को नहीं बताओगे that I am a humbug. Okay. They agreed to say nothing of what they had learned and went back to their rooms in high spirits. So they all agreed to this and they all went to their rooms in high spirit. Means they were very happy. They were very happy about what? That they will get whatever they wanted from the wizard. Even Dorothy had hoped that the great and terrible humbug, as she called him, would find a way to send her back to Kansas, and if he did, she was willing to forgive him everything. So she was also thinking about what, that she would go back to Kansas and she will willingly forgive the wizard of whatever he had done to them. So here we can see the what happens afterwards, that is given in this box. You can see the wizard gives the scarecrow brains, the lion courage, and the tin woodman a heart. So the wizard gives the scarecrow brains, scarecrow को brains दे देता है, lion को courage और tin woodman को heart भी मिल जाता है. As for Dorothy, he plans to take her to Kansas in a balloon. So he also plans to take Dorothy home by balloon. Dorothy finds Toto chasing a kitten and gets down to catch it. So they all go back there, and Dorothy finds that Toto is chasing a kitten and they go down to catch Toto. Before she can come back, the ropes break and the wizard floats away alone. So again, what happens? Before they could come back, again the ropes break and wizard also, the balloon floats away alone. Okay, so her three friends try to help her reach Kansas. She, however, uses her silver shoes to return home. So her three friends, that is the scarecrow, the woodman, and the lion, the three of them, they help her to go to return back to her home. The Tin Woodman stays in Wicked Witch's land as their king. The Scarecrow stays in the Emerald City as the ruler, and Lion goes back to the forest as the king of the forest. At home, Dorothy finds that her silver shoes are lost in flight, never to be found again. So Tin Woodman जो है वो कहाँ पे रहता है? Wicked Witches के land में रहता है, and he becomes a king there. Scarecrow stays in the Emerald City as the ruler there, and Lion goes back to the forest as the king of the forest. And at home, Dorothy finds that her silver shoes are lost. She couldn't find the silver shoes again. Okay, so the moral of the story is every person has the ability to do everything, only he or she has to discover it. So the moral is what, that